Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix device isn't certified by Google Play Store. Now to check if your device is certified by Google Play Store, open up Google Play Store, tap on the profile section, scroll down, tap on settings, tap on the about section, then you see device certification over here. This one, mine is certified. Now to prove this, just tap on it and you open up Chrome, and then it will take you to the device certification page. Now if yours isn't certified, come to Chrome itself, then search for this, download device ID from mirror.com, then hit on the run button. Now you'll see this first website over here. Leave out the Google or the AI. You see this one which says APK Mirror. Tap on it, and then you go ahead and run the download. Now once you run the download, go ahead and install it, and then your device will then be certified by Google Play Store. For my case, I won't download it again because I already have mine certified. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe.